About to head out to the shop, go put some new LED headlights on my friend's truck. Not gonna be taking out the Nightmare tonight, being on the ETR. As you can see, there ain't very much tread on them. Don't want to lose control on the wet roads, so I'm gonna be taking the F-150. But I'm about to head over and pick up one of my buddies, and we're gonna head out there and get started. But first off, let's hear that cold start on the old F-150. Just got to my homeboy's house to pick him up. We're gonna take a look at his car. Well, finally made it to the shop. About to start working on this truck and change out the headlights. Well, here's the truck we're gonna be working on, doing the headlights, changing them out. That way we can see at night if we haul. The cars, I really don't want to fuck up my car on the trailer if this truck hits something, because you can't see it. But we're gonna be changing out the stocks and putting the bright ass LEDs, taking x-rays of y'all when we pass y'all.
I need a step ladder. Anybody got one?
Yeah, this thing is fucking huge. That's what she said.
Yeah.
They said it's a quick and easy install, but with us, it always takes forever, so.
Yep.
Ooh, a filter. First one we're changing out is going to be the LEDs on the bottom,
The fog lights.
on the fog lights. Get to those.
You gotta pull the liner back a little bit and just kind of reach in there. Can't really see, but right there. Can't really see it. It's dark as shit, but I mean, right there. So you just gotta reach in there, hit the clip, pull the plug out. And then the fog lights, they got two little clips on the bulb itself that you gotta clip together to pull it out. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but I mean. All right, so we got the old bulb out.
That's a shitty ass bulb.
Yep.
You can see shit with those.
And that's the LED. See the comparison?
And take x-rays of y'all when we pass y'all. Now we're just gonna install it, reach in there somehow, some way. He's gonna do it. I'm glad he's doing it, because it been raining. There's a lot of mud under there.
Did we finally say he's not stock anymore?
I hadn't been stuck.
No, he's already upgraded.
With the S&B and the forces, bro. Oh, you can't.
Before you fully install it, after you plug it in, make sure it turns on first. It'd suck to get it all the way in and it not turn on, so.
Turn the key over. Fucking Ford owners don't know how to work anything.
Edit that out. Because, you know, if you would have bought a Ford, it would have already had LEDs. Oh, shit. That son of a bitch is bright.
Gosh, damn. All right, you're good.
God damn, that motherfucker's bright. Ooh, I can see me. Okay, now he's trying to get it clipped in, but it's not
Pain in the
really
ass.
working. But yeah, once he gets that one installed, that's how it's gonna look in there. Be bright as shit. Well, about 10 minutes of fighting it, we finally got it to clip. And god damn,
That is a
that
bright
is
light.
bright. So now we're just gonna knock out the next one on the fog light, and then we're gonna work on the headlights.
I thought we were done.
Well, there you have it. Both bottom fog lights are on. That one went a little bit quicker because we figured out how to do it.
Whose country has got this music playing?
And now we're gonna start with the headlights. As soon as he buttons that side back up. All right, to get to the headlights, we're gonna take this off to get access to them. We're gonna remove them, I think, instead of removing the batteries and the air box, because, you know, that takes forever. So it's almost easier to remove the headlights themselves.
If you don't listen, good luck.
But I think we're gonna end up having to take everything else off, because unless we figure something out here, but
We'll keep y'all posted.
we'll keep y'all updated.
Should be.
But boy, he needs to clean that filter a little bit. It's starting to get dirty. But it's a functional Ram hood.
Let's close it and show them. Look at this.
Ooh, look at that big old scoop.
Sexy.
Fully functional to the box. S&B filter. Now he's removing the grill so we can get to the headlights to remove them. Trying to snap the grill out. Ooh, that didn't sound healthy, but it's coming out. Now to remove the headlight, you got a bolt there, 2 up top, and it should slide out. That's gonna be a lot faster than removing the airbox and the secondary battery. Should. Keyword should. Ain't nothing ever go perfect for us. But we're gonna make it happen.
The little tin.
Well, I said there was 3, but we got one right back up in here we gotta take out. And then we can remove it. 30 minutes later, we finally got one out.
Oh, guys,
And there's a
don't put the liner back on either.
fucking weird ass fucking horn. What kind of shit is that?
Extra protection.
Ooh, that thing's toasty.
There's the difference.
Color green. That fucking scares the fuck out of me.
We're gonna have to edit that out because he was cussing, but
It's so good.
just like that, boom, that was easy. Tuck the wire in, that way it's out of the way.
Check them, they're on.
And let's make sure it works. Oh, baby. Shining bright like a diamond.
Now for
Now to get to the bright lights.
be so bright you can see coronavirus coming at us.
He probably ain't lying.
Yeah, I'm the one that's known for the bright ass lights.
The brain, yeah. Hey, where you go? Joey's head coach or not? He's the coach of baseball? Joey Jackson? Here? Yeah. I thought Jerome was going to be the coach. He is. Jerome too? Yeah, Jerome, Joey, and Hodges.
Low beams.
So
high beams.
Jerome's like assistant?
That's what it's gonna look like. And that's how dull
Somebody send
factories
help.
are.
Somebody should help, please.
Help!
Help.
He needs help!
Help.
Now just put the headlight back in. Do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be done. Don't forget to put your caps back on. That way you don't ruin your lights. Just like that, this side's done. Grills back in. Now you just gotta put the bolts back on top. Put the cover back on. We're good to go.
That's that splat.
We live.
Oh no, baby. You know how we do it, boy. Okay.
Hit the brights.
The brakes. You know how we do it. Chingones.
Turn one.
And there's your x-ray. And that's gonna be what it looks like in the night. Night and day difference. You can see anything in your way. Super bright. Duramax diesel sitting on forces. And that's going to conclude this video.